Hi everyone, welcome to Dorothy's Kitchen and Garden channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I'm planting my tomatoes, chilies, gala melon seedlings, and maybe a cabbage. And guys, I'm just preparing the bean bags to protect my artificial grass from the soil. So I'm using my multi-purpose soil, which is really good, it has high nutrients, and of course it is a well-draining soil. And of course I'm going to also be incorporating in my planters some compost that I made, because I think I want the soil to be high in nutrients so that my plants can thrive. I just showed you the pot I'm going to be using to plant my tomatoes, and those are my tomato seedlings. They have been thriving and doing so well. I'm quite happy with it. So guys, this is the huge pot where I have put my potato peels, banana peels, cabbage leaves, all sort of peels from the kitchen. And so I've been composting for my plants. And so I'm going to put that soil that is rich in those nutrients in that compost beneath the pot, and then after I'm going to layer it with the normal soil, and then on top completely I'll put some crushed eggshells, even to add more minerals and more nutrients. Just keep watching guys. Yeah, so I'm just showing you the all-purpose compost, which has been doing so well for my plants. Actually, you can even use this to plant flowers, vegetables, and yeah, it's quite a good soil. I'm very happy with it. Just keep watching guys. So guys, I'm just showing you how I have tied my bamboo sticks together, just like the ones you can see at the corners, from the previous tomatoes that I planted. And so when the tomatoes are going to run up, they have support with the bamboo stick. And so I'm watering on top of this self-watering planter, and it's very efficient because all you need to do is just put the water on top of it, and the water is going to be seeping inside slowly. And of course, I have just watered at the top of the new planted tomatoes. So I begin by putting the composted soil, the soil that is mixed with, banana leaves and all other peels, at the bottom of the little pot, because I think I'm going to plant some, maybe, let me see. Yeah, I think I'm going to plant some chilies, or I might plant the watermelon seedling. I do not know. I'm still preparing the soil, so that's what I'm doing here. So just like the way I put the compost at the bottom of the little black round pot, that's exactly what I'm doing on this long planter. So I'm putting the composted soil under the normal soil, and so that I have all the nutrients in there. Okay, so it has started raining heavy, and yeah, I'm going to see if I'm going to continue with this, but let me just wait on the rain, and if it's not too heavy, I'm going to go to the next level. I mean, finish up preparing the soil, because I'm yet to put the eggshells on top, you know, so that they will be ready for planting. Oh dear, the rain has started just getting into the balcony, so I'm rushing to take everything from there. Yeah, it's raining heavy. So guys, the rain has ceased. We have some sun, you know, coming back. So I'm going to continue with my gardening. And so I decided to change my cabbage from the small pot into a bigger pot, because it's outgrowing that small pot. I'm really happy because this cabbage was just grown from just a small scrape cabbage, you know. Look at that rooting. It's so beautiful, it's so healthy, it's thriving. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, so I planted my cabbage from a small, you know, scrape cabbage, like leftover like this one I'm showing you here, and you can see now how, you know, beautiful and awesome that cabbage looks. All right guys, I'm going to now you know, plant this into a bigger pot, and just keep watching, because I think I'm going to plant some other vegetables. I think today I'm going to plant cabbage, lettuce, and chilies, and some gala melon seedlings. All right,